Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are well. Yesterday we have completed our chapter 4 sensitivity toward others. And in this chapter we have read about how we can take care and give love to the physically challenged children and socially deprived children. So dear student, today I am going to discuss the exercise of this lesson which is given on page number 31. The first exercise is MCQ. Let's start. Tick the correct option. Number 1. Special skills can make the physically challenged children. Special skills can make the physically challenged children. Option A, depend. Option B, confident. Option C, sympathetic. So the right answer is option B. A special skill can make the physically challenged children confident. 2. Children with physical challenges have difficulty in forming relationship with other due to option A, physical limitation. Option B, less confidence. Option C, shyness. So dear student, option A is the right option. Children with physically challenges have difficulty in forming relationship with other due to physical limitations. Now third one, physically challenged children should be given education which is option A, exclusive. Option B, inclusive. Option C, special. The right option is inclusive. A physically challenged should be given education which is inclusive education. मीन्स फिजिकली चैलेंज जो बच्चे हैं उन्हें कैसे एजुकेशन मिलनी चाहिए, इंक्लूसिव. ऐसे नहीं कि उन्हें किसी और स्कूल में उन्हें क्या करना है, इंटीग्रेटेड करना है हमें नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट के साथ. ठीक है, तो जो उनकी एजुकेशन हो इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन हो, मतलब नॉर्मल बच्चों के साथ वो भी स्टडी करें. सो बिकॉज दे इट विल हेल्प इट देयर कॉन्फिडेंस, दे बिल्ड द कॉन्फिडेंस. जब वो नॉर्मल बच्चों के कंटेक्ट में आते हैं तो उनका कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड होता है. ठीक है. फोर्थ, द कंडीशन ऑफ सोशली डिप्राइव्ड children can be improved through a condition of socially deprived children can be improved through A, employment, B, money, C, education. The right answer is education. The condition of physically deprived children can be improved through education. Yes, जो सोशली डिप्राइव चिल्ड्रन हैं उनके हम जो कंडीशन है उनकी कैसे ठीक कर सकते हैं, एजुकेशन देकर. बिकॉज व्हेन दे गेन द एजुकेशन, गेट द एजुकेशन, सो दे कैन अर्न, वो जो है अच्छी अर्निंग कर सकते हैं. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स एक्सरसाइज बी हियर. सो बी, fill in the blanks. Number 1, a little care and love can make a great difference in the lives of dash challenged and dash deprived children? The answer is physically. So you will fill physically, PHYSICALLY, physically challenge, and socially, SOCIALLY, socially deprived children. A little care and love can make a great difference in the lives of physically children and socially deprived children. Second, specially trained teacher and therapists provide dash to special children. The right answer is guidance. So you will write guidance here, GUIDANCE, guidance. So specially trained children and therapists provide guidance to special children. Now third one, physically challenged children face difficulties in forming relationship. So what will you write? You will write relationship here. RELATIONSHIPS, relationship. The physically challenged children face difficulties in forming relationships. Number 4, our dash has special provisions to ensure that each and every child get education. So who provide? Our constitution. So you will write constitution here, CONSTITUTION. So constitution. Our constitution has special provision to ensure that each and every child get education. Number 5, dash education also benefits all students. Dash education also benefit all students. Which education? Yes, is inclusive. So you will write inclusive here, INCLUSIVE. Inclusive education also benefit all students, normal student as well as physically challenged children. So here we have done the exercise B. Now I am going to discuss exercise C, which is given on page number 32. Correct the statements. So there is a wrong statement that you have to correct it. In earlier time, parents were aware about the help and training given to physically challenged children. So we know, you will underline the word aware, because in the earlier time parents were unaware. You will write unaware about the help and training given to physically challenged children. So dear student, you will write like this. अगर आपके पास स्पेस देखो तो आप थोड़ा नीचे भी लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है. Number 2, special child should not be provided with opportunity. So not, we will cross a not, just because special child should be provided with opportunity. So you will write the correct sentence. Number 3. Physically challenged children should be sent to special school only. No. We will underline the should and what will we write? Physically challenged children should not. So you will write not here. Should not be sent to special school only. So, fourth one, school has no role in the life of socially deprived children. So we will cross the no because school has important role in the life of socially deprived children. Number 5th, socially deprived children belongs to whom where the parents are able to earn enough money. So we know we will underline the R, and what will we write here? We will write socially deprived children belongs to the home where the parents are not. You will include not here. So they are not able to earn enough money. So dear student, you will correct the statement like this. Hope you have understand. That's all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.